Okie dokie. Bink. It's proper music, as one might expect from a day such as today. I kind of wish I had some, like, not quite synthwave, but I don't know, electro synth? Something cool for programming day, you know? It would be very awesome, methinks. Anyways, we're opening up Godot. Because... golly. The one downside right now is that, the music does distract a tad. Technically speaking. No. Anyways, let me show y'all what I did today so far. These stuff here is just because I've got my, debugger, Godot debug options. If you click debug and then you click some other stuff when it's not running, you can, whoopsies. You can toggle this stuff on. Allows you to see hitboxes basically, which is very helpful. What I've done today is you can see this. If I hold W, click, then right click, I instantiate the two sides of the nesting thing here. Then I'm able to put this inside of it, and you can see it'll follow around inside of it so that it kind of stays in the middle. Or if I put it to the side, it'll kind of stay off to the side, you know? It's a really neat little thing, because how I did it was, essentially, let me find it, the code. Here. Basically, I just find the position from when it first is put into that group, and then I use that as a ratio between the two sides, so as a distance. And basically I say, okay, if the ratio from one side to the other has changed, then try and fix it. It basically points itself towards one side or the other and starts moving that way. And then if it happens to be wrong, it continues changing. It goes well, it works, and I'm so happy about it. Now, what I'm not so happy about is, hang on, where is things printing from? I didn't see. So I don't really love the idea of things printing right now. Let's see. Because if things are printing, that means... oh, well, I didn't press debug. So that shouldn't matter. And is it in here? Okay. Okay, well, let me just see what kind of thing it was printing so I can see. Okay. So... oh, here is something. Let's try that. Because I'm trying to move on to the next section. Technically speaking, it does work if you do it backwards like this. Right? But, does it? No, I guess it does not. That's nice. It shouldn't work that way. I'm glad. Now we see here, and it doesn't print, which is good. That's what we were after the whole time. So that's good. What we need is to continue. So we need to make sure, that things can save properly. So if we go and put, two different things together, I am also noticing, I'm sure y'all are too, I'm sure we're all seeing how my, colliders are just slightly off from where they should be. That is something that I am not gonna change right now. That is somebody else's problem. It's a future mimsy problem. But what we wanted to do was go like this. You're silly, Grace! You're wrong, and you're wrong. Yeah, I think that's just the case. I think you're just wrong. But we see there how it didn't load properly. We see how it does a dot. Why is that? Okay. Golly, this whole parser here is just such a headache to work with. I can hardly read it. But, I am seeing. Let me see. So, because what we're seeing here is that, it's not actually seeing the second thing. Which is strange. If we look here... nesting... We're looking for a simple overlap, huh? So... it could be that if I put parentheses around that. Whoopsies. Try like so. Let's open up the debug. Debug. And now we click and clack. Hey! So that's that fixed. Nice and squeezy peasy. Let's see if I can go like this. No. Darn. Ugh, golly, this one's even more difficult to work with. Oh my goodness. Do you see all of this code? Why did I even write all this code? Okay, golly. So... Is that right? I don't think it is. I think something here is wrong, and I don't want to mess with it. It sucks. Blech. Yeah, that's definitely not right. What the heck? Okay, so that means something's wrong here, actually. My goodness. So, we have exactly one. Oh wait, no, is that correct? My goodness, is that correct? No. Unless it is. Because it looks to me as though it would be to remove these pieces here, right? And then that would make it look correct. Golly, this is why I never touch this stuff. Wee. What? What? Excuse me? Hey! I did it! What do you know? And it works? It doesn't work. I'm crying. Let's see what it says. The golly. No, don't cry. Oh, trust me, I am. It's ooh. Ooh. Yeah, okay. A dot E comma B. So that's kind of almost worked. It seems. Cause, yeah. Silly. Okay, wait, hang on. I think I can do this. Perhaps? And, this whole section here dictates that this and here is redundant. And so... let's try that again. What I'm trying to do right now, basically, is just, make it so that I can put another one there. And it doesn't want to. Oh, but this is... oh, what do we have so far? Well, I don't know. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, but that's done it. Okay. Julio. So, that's good. That means the ID is proper. So, we see that it says C, and then C dot is grouped in with E, and then A dot E, which is correct. So, like, what's the deal again? Valid property or assignment to rune ID with value of type node onto base object of type node. Wait, excuse me? Assignment of property rune ID with value of node. Okay. So... interesting. What it's yelling at me about here is that for some reason rune 0 is an object, like it's one of the shapes. Print rune here, which, yeah, instance of rune. Okay. It's supposed to have an ID there is the thing. Why? What's going on here? I just want golly. Maids weren't meant for programming, I think. I think it was meant for other things. But golly, this is compelling. It sure is compelling. Ugh. Oh my. So, how did this happen? So, instantiate from location. I mean, like... bleh. Instance... bleh. Ah, blah, 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 blah. Hey there, cute cookie. Okay. So let's find, it looks like it's the operation. Because we're looking for... I'm doing okay. It's being weird at me, though, which is rude. Golly! Weirdest sneeze of my life. Oh! Silly, yeah. I don't even know. It's not cute, though. It's not cute! Grrr. It looks like the full op section was what was last, so overlap, blank with let me see. That was not cute. Mean to me. So... what am I even looking at? What? What are you pulling out the darling card for, you cutie? You cutie patootie? Overlap. With this. I shrimply love you too. So, with path E. So, somehow the base here has become, no, it's absolutely fine. Turkey, I would way prefer to be distracted all night and get no work done than have no one to talk to all day. You know what I mean? What I will say though is I'm going to have it for I in base if I is variable room print I dot ID. Distraction? How dare you? I should actually distraction? Oh, and also, you're adorable! Okay, let's see what we get here. What? But well, you're the most perfect wife ever, actually, and a half even. So there. B E. Okie dokie. So in this array here. I'm smiling at you. So what's the original? B, E, okay. I'm smiling. You're adorable. So... okay. So, would... I guess... yes. So... golly! Watching legal videos on the side while keep popping it. I love the phrasing of that, sweet girl. It sounds like you're implying that there's such thing as illegal videos. I mean, there kinda is, kinda isn't, but the important part is that it's silly. So what we're seeing here is that what we're meant to be doing... so... if... wait... not... Alright. This patch. Print, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Let's try like this. Touching. Oh, let's get a different one. I do remember that, and I think it's a very good goal, and I'm proud of you. What is this? Unable to... Thank you, yeah. Oi. 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 It's not cute, I'm going insane! And I'm hungry, I didn't get enough little treats today. I need to bite something. Grr. No, it's not cute to me, you're just being incorrect at me. Grr. Grr. Where did it go? Where's my code gone? Here. Grr. I am hungry. I am not so very cute. Grr. I shouldn't have erased the output. He needs food. Exactly. I deserve burger right now, but the problem is I am so poor. I am so zero money mim is what they call me. Maybe. Oh golly. Well, thank you very much.
00004 cheer. X1000. Go get a burger.
I will, but not right now. And humongous W, you say I'm trying to hack into the Pentagon. You silly. I barely know. I could barely pass like the bandit games from over the wire. I couldn't even hack my school, let alone a government building. Not to say I wouldn't try if I had the chance, but... Well, also not to say I would try, to be fair, because I don't know how. Does this work? Is this a thing I can do? That's what they all say, and then you get the nuclear codes. If I got those, I wouldn't really do much with them, and I'm pretty sure they change them constantly anyway, wouldn't they? Right? Because then... we know. Well, you silly, but the problem is, I wouldn't do anything with that power, you know? I would just be I'm too worried about it. what I am trying to do is make my wizard game. 3, 4. Oh. Sell to North Korea or Russia, but why would I? You know, like, they already have nukes. They have their own nukes. They don't need more. They have plenty. Money? But, like, what's the point? Oh, also I should, unfilter here. So, what I'm seeing is that nothing makes sense. Talking about terrorism? Well, I'm talking about why I wouldn't, and why it wouldn't make sense, and why it's not worthwhile. Oh. Is there ever a world in which the base of the operation is, like, first part is a node and then the second part isn't? Is that ever a thing? Am I insane for worrying about that? I think the answer is. Even if you did, it's not like they would do it. Yeah, I mean, pretty much. There's all sorts of treaties you have to follow. As a country leader, yeah. I think... I try it again. I've done some cool stuff today. I'm hungry. I need food. I need burger. But it is late o'clock PM. And even though I was so graciously gifted burger money, I can't right now. Get burger, I want to, but I can't right now. It's too late at night. I have to put gas in the car if I go out. It just doesn't work out for me right now. Want to bring you one? No, I'll live until tomorrow. I am noticing. So you can McDonald's from the order from the McDonald's app? I don't have the McDonald's app. You want tomorrow then? I'm hanging out with Sharky tomorrow. Let me see. How is this nonsense at me? What the heck? What? No burger moment. Mean to me behavior. Golly, what is even happening here? So what's the error here? Unable to iterate on object? Heh. Well, my contents. Print. Mod. Well, actually. Getting a burger. Real. Oh, golly. Nothing makes sense. Everything's strange. My code is nonsense. I don't get it. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to, Timmy. I wouldn't have if I had had the choice. Golly, what even is all this? What am I looking at here? Okay, but then... if it doesn't do this, then it should be printing that there. Says, so we see this. We see this. Then we don't see anything. Like, what the heck? I'm sorry that is mean to you, Timmy. I can give you $10 when I see you. Mm-hmm. Golly, though. What the heck? If I remove this if statement... boink, 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 wee! Ugh. It's my IP? You silly. We will get the money. You silly. My IP address, let's see. It must start with a 196. Because it is a local IP address and not my router's IP address. If I go bloop. Bloop. So what I'm wondering... Right, well my question is... Nothing makes sense. Golly, this is why I don't pass any of my classes. 6. Are you calling me old? It feels like you're calling me old. Okay, so now we see it. Hello. So the error we begin... I use dial-up. No! Golly, so it says in... I can't access 3 on... Oh, yeah. That would do it. Huh. So our problem right now... Problem right now is that, probably somebody smart 3 months ago, and it was of course me because I'm the only one working on this project, but like 3 months ago, it seems I decided that the best way to combine these subsections of the thing was to do it like this. It's impressive you're able to make a game in string on a PC running Windows XP. I'll have you know, this is Linux. So it does... Here. What was I about to say? I don't know. But... Oh, fly! You're being cute, my darling. You're adorable at me every day, all the time, constantly. Linux 2003? No! It's a modern version of Xubuntu, I promise. Golly. I got to... So... Ugh. What I've got to do... is... You didn't surprise me. It's Linux 2006. Golly, what am I up to? What am I even doing? Nothing I do makes any sense. I should have a list of locations, shouldn't I? I should. Okay. So let me print rune data really quickly. Rune data should have literally everything I need forever and ever and ever. If it doesn't, I cry. It's simple. If it doesn't have what I want, I cry. Wee! Oh. Wee! What? Oh, whoops, I did that wrong. Didn't I? Yeah. I was surprised when it worked for a second. Hehe. Ooh, does the headpad work? It does! I'm so happy I automated that. It's nice to me, you know. It's nice to me to have it automated. Hehehehe. I'm smiling because I did that. My thing worked. Meow! Golly! You have to go make me be a cat, meow? Meow! No. Meow. 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 Golly. No, you... Grrr. Explode, you. In fact, hang on. Meow. 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 Didn't know you could do that. Uh-huh. Meow. Golly. What is this name? Meow. 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 Golly, what's happening here? I don't get it. Meow. Humph. Meow. Meow. Hey. Meow. Meow. Golly, I'm no good at any of this. My goodness. Meow. Golly. God, yeah. Back to the. There better not be a golly jar. I'd never survive. It's overflowing. Let's see. So... Darling. I did not. Huh. B. I'm not. I'm just hungry and insane. From my coding, I promise. No, no, no. Would become. Yeah, insane. The thing is, we have food, right? I don't mean to be complaining so much because we do have food here. It's just simply that it's meantime and I'm busy and I don't want to get up and I got all sorts of. You ever take a shower? Well, of course it is. Don't let me stop you. Okay. There's 2 errors here! And they're different ones, and they're unrelated, and it's mean to me behavior. Bleh. 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 Well, of course, sweet girl, I don't ever want you to worry about that, okay? You're just my favorite, and I want you to do whatever you want forever. Golly. Bing, bing. Ah. Be back soon. See you soon. So the area here is that there's an older country. Yes, I can put you in the box, you cutie patootie. Ooh, ooh. Grab you, finally. Took a couple tries. Put it down here. Okay, so I need to... So mod 1, 0, 1 was an object? Wait, hang on. 0, 1 would be here, huh? Whatever, bleh. I want to restart so badly, but I shouldn't because there's so much code here. Okay. What if... No, it'll be this... If I delete all this, I'm going to go insane, but it also would just help so much with straightening everything out. But I shouldn't because I would go insane. Golly. So it's claiming that there is an object there. So it's actually the same problem. Yes! It's the same thing. It's the same exact thing with no differences whatsoever. So it's fine. We're all fine. We just need to do the thing. What? Golly, I don't want to, but I'm gonna. So up here we said, like this. Okay, then it would continue and do nothing, basically. Print, There we go. What? Oh. Okie dokie. Now it is all fine, I promise. Yeah, so... Okay... Yes. This is... correct. I'm excited for that. So, basically, what the problem is... Hi there, Grace. What the problem is right now is that we're having occasionally... No, well, yes, but the thing is, there will be a list of created objects in a section where it's expecting to need to create objects. So what we need to do is pair up the created objects with their data, and then figure out which ones are supposed to be actually performed the overlap operation on, so that then when we return it, it's all fine forever. You're calling me an object? No, I don't think so. I'm going insane. Just like the insiest, beansiest, teensiest, weensiest, squeensiest amount ever. This project is very big. You love Insane Mim? Well, I'm glad, cause... So... cute? No. Sure, I'll use warning when I need to do it. You find an egg and you suspect there's a caterpillar inside. Yeah? Good luck. So these two spots are, where I need to deal with the thing. Right? Right. I'm gonna see, it could, just one more function, just a function, just an easiest little function outside of what's already going on. If I just put it outside, if it's just somewhere else, if it's over, you can go at the very bottom of the page. I popped my back a tiny bit. That happens sometimes when I do weird things. Wait, what's this? I don't know. Anyways, here, find C data rune, maybe? We go draggable rune, and then array C data for in C data. I'm going to explode. It's not cute at all. I'm bloating and a little bit hungry. I'm gonna have more little treat when I get downstairs because I got some donut holes and they're tasty. They're not that good, but we need an explode emote. Technically, I have that kind of thing. I don't think it's uploaded, but if I were to, yeah. Where's the thing? You make those noises. Yeah, exactly. You understand. If I go emotes here. Let me see. This one? Does this not work the way I wanted it to? I guess it doesn't. Okay. Wow. I guess it's... oh. Yeah, it just does not like to work properly. I really need to get a better image viewing software because that one sucks. But the point is... golly. 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 So for each thing that's in here, the thing will look like this. Right? We have two. It opens there. It would end here. So if data 0 equals rune ID, if vector 2 of data 1 is the same as rune global position, Which should be the only two things we really need to figure it out. Yeah, we can then return, what's the function again? There's a find function here. Where'd it go? I don't need this. What was that? Whoa. Doesn't allow me to. Okay, Googling it now. Golly. Golly, 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 golly. Golly. Oh, golly. My goodness. Index of the first occurrence. Okay. So it would be it would go like this, I should think. Oh, apparently I've opened a parenthesis somewhere that I never close. 470 22. Is it playing with me right now? After function parameters. Yeah, so we have this here. Hello? Okie dokie. Variable room. Array. Data. What is going on in here? Does that fail? Okay, well, what if I call this one the other thing? Oh, I see. I was doing everything wrong as expected. See, that makes so much more sense now. I can't believe I ever thought it was something else. So now... Now... I have a function that finds the index of... I'm so normal. Yeah. I guess it is break time. You're so correct. I'm gonna eat some little snacks while I'm downstairs, hopefully. And be slightly less, exploding when I'm back. Burger. No, it can't be, I'm sorry. Timmy, you're very nice to me, you know. But if I ask you for a burger, then, one, it'll have been kind of a weird everything because you've already given me $10, which is plenty for a burger, but I can't do it right now is all. And, I don't know, it is all strange. Yeah. Okay. Golly. Everything is strange. Nothing is normal. It is all mean to me. Sound like you don't want burger? It's late, and I've had quite a bit of sugar by now. I ate like 6 donut holes while I was downstairs. So I've ruined my appetite a tiny bit. See, the thing is, at this point in time, I can't confirm whether oh my goodness, my hair is terrible. Ah. Golly, I could spend all day just making sure it's untangled and I love having long hair, don't get me wrong, but oh my goodness, nothing makes me go crazy like it being terrible. So, what I'm thinking I'd do is, declare a new thingy thing called var, bingus. Oh, good. Bingus. Wrong. See, you have to be really careful programming when you're, you just have to be careful programming, because if you go down the rabbit hole of giving things nonsensical variable names, it gets even harder to read what's already unreadable. So don't do it. But here we're going to say, instance cdata pairs equals empty array. So then we will say for Runin base, we are going to, I think, comment this part out now. And we're going to say, instance cdata pairs dot append. We're going to go this, so it's going to have a sub array, right? And it's going to have rune, comma, find cdata runes is what I called that function, with rune and cdata. Whatchamacallit? Whatchamacall? Blah blah blah. The pairing list is what I knew it was called the entire time. Okay. So this is rough. Way. So the instance data it returns is from instantiate room from location. What's it returning? It returns the output instance and the room. Okay. what we basically need so if you have path in mod and instead of asking this question, which is a bit redundant, we can say if instance data pairs isn't equal to an empty array, right? No, wait, if it is equal to an empty array, sorry. But otherwise, we need to basically because if path is in mod, what that means is that it's not an instance yet. So base 3, huh? Is there a situation where the instantiate rune fails entirely? No. Okay. Golly. Golly, 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 golly. Whoa, 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 whoa. Things are an eensy beensy amount of nonsense. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's going on. I'm going crazy here. Oh, hey, darling. You're adorable at me. Okie dokie. I've got to... Wait. Cringe myself. Instance data pair. And we will have a breakpoint, as I've just remembered I'm able to do. Those are helpful. Half an hour you're gonna fight the Ender Dragon. Hey, that's fun. Hope you enjoy. I'll miss you, but I love you, so have fun. Oh, that's not good. It was supposed to... That's actually... You cutie patootie. Cute behavior. So this is actually a little expected, huh? Yeah, okay. I'm looking at you! I'm looking at you very much so! This is my looking at you face, you know. Heh heh heh. Balloon wants a girl. No awe. 0% awe. We're going to copy this Let's instantiate all this. Instantiate up pairs. Append all that nonsense. Oh, gee. Okity dokity. Pokity smokity. So this is normally a part where it's able to return. My goodness. So, what we have to do instead. Oh, wait. No, not cute, Timmy, you silly. My. So in this situation, mod isn't a draggable route. EP, I guess I'm thinking too much. So in this case, there's no M instance, and thank you. Massage the headache out of me. Basically, if we print base here, it'll be fine, it'll be fine, it'll be fine, it'll be fine. Whee! Hope this helps, it's nice to me. Where even is this? I should have known, like, what? Okie dokie. Try it again. One day, somebody's going to look at my code and they're going to kill me, I think. Let's and see da. That will be you. I don't know what you're talking about. In the future? Oh yeah. Yeah, I agree. 0. Perhaps just another 0 will help me. Looking at your own code, yeah. Yeah. Explode. Whoa! I didn't know that was a thing you could do! Or was that somebody else's that just happened to do that at that time? I also had no idea. I was being silly, yeah. The more you know. Non-existent. Eh. data. I guess it'd be 0 and then 1. Try it like this. What? What? Did you just explode me? That's mean to me behavior. I can't believe this. Going back down there though. Hump. Mini pants. So much power. Me. This is fun. I need to just not think about my hair at all. If I think too much about it, I'm going to explode. Ah! I want to stop thinking. I want all my problems to be magically solved right now. Wouldn't that be lovely? Holy. You can make you do subs. No, thank you. I'm all set. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Golly. Wait. Golly. So we have the possible things there. Don't have the possible things. Ugh. Okay. These three. One burger, you want burger? Ooh, maybe. So what we need here is our EP. I mean, I don't even know. So we want to share. Or zero to the length of the array. Ooh. Maybe minus one here. And then it is mean to me. Golly. So I need to look through the list. Our data equals C pairing list of instance C data pairs of I plus 1, I suppose, so it starts at 0. So yes. If here we're going to say if instance data pairs of I plus 1 null continue, right? Because this is what we want. I'm googling it. I'm EP and I don't know things. Hey. Calling? Mm-hmm. Okie dokie. So that'll work. Else. So we got this here. And then I suppose I guess I go data here and then place this here. And then golly. Golly. Golly, 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 golly. I suppose. Data. And then maybe so an entry in the C data list probably looks the same, right? In fact, we know that 0, 1 is the position. So 2, 3 would perhaps be what we're looking for. 0, 3. The breakpoint right in there. Turn that breakpoint off. Right. Data there. Invalid access to... Where are we? Where are we? We were in here a moment ago. No, I don't want to be here. Ugh. Oh my. I wish I could stream a nap. Golly gee goodness. So in mod then we would have had to go to here. Means so printed this. Maybe then I can just go instance instance data 0. Maybe I can go like this. Maybe this works. Maybe it's actually that easy. Maybe I was nice to myself for a change. Cause if not, I don't know what I'm doing. Maker. Draggable room base. Yeah. Let me just pretty please see something working. Mostly, somewhat, maybe, somewhat. A little, somewhat. Ooh. Wee! Yeah. Darn. Where are we now? Where are we now? Okay. So... if that's null, 0, 1, full op, overlap created, null. Okay, so it didn't get anything back from this, is what I'm understanding. So the most recent loop here, where the parser post full op here says, hang on, has B and then 2 runes, and then E. Then it says the operation is dot overlapping a draggable with 2 more draggables. Moderate contents. Then you have moderate contents. Golly, moderate contents is here, so it correctly detect that this part's an array. Mod, and then it says, hang on. What it actually says is that all this is the mod. Why is this in it? Oh my, no. I don't know. So 0, 1 is not draggable room. What's the goal here? I don't know. My goodness, what am I looking at? Ah, this is why I never make any progress on this. It's not cute to me. I'm despairing. This is terrible news. It's mixing data type. Why is it doing this to me? Okay, so look. Mod has a list of existing ones, and it has the data. Also streaming APIs. I know. So 0, 1 is not draggable rune. Right. Make easy decisions, you're so right. I got work Monday, and I don't want to go to work on Monday. I'm going to because I need burger money. Exactly. Except... oh no, 0, 1 would be here, huh? So it is draggable. You gave me burger money? Yeah, but I can't. I need more burger money. You don't want burger. I know. I'm not being smart right now, Timmy. I don't know things. Heh. Oh, my goodness. So... what am I looking at? We have 4 rooms total. Right, in the combination. I can double check that if I feel like. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all distinct. I don't know what I'm trying to do here. Goodness, because, golly, all the runes are instantiated. We don't need to instantiate anything. So what is the goal here? I know. And not only that, but those moderate contents and mod. So it says mod of 0 is maybe an array. Yeah, I guess that's this here. Is where it prints B data. So that's the C pairing list. Entry. I'm going to be so honest. I want to just... I think I want to remove this. My deep soon, yeah. It's almost midnight. I'm going deep soon too. I just don't want to, because I'm going to forget everything and it's going to be worse next time. It is midnight, yeah. I'm going to like... Goodness. I think I'm just gonna end stream now, to be fully honest. I'm tired, I don't understand anything anymore. So I am all done. This is why I never make any progress on this project, is because I don't know anything. I need to just tear this code out and restart, I think. Take care, thank you. Sending y'all to the cats again. Where'd they go? Here. Golly. It's so difficult. Thanks. Bye-bye.